Hello everyone! Mahilig po ba kayo sa Chinese food? Well, here's what I'm sharing today. Ang super crispy salt and pepper shrimp. To begin with, your cooking oil has to be at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will fry the shrimp for 2 minutes until they are golden brown, and we will cook in batches. Importante po na ilagay nyo ang hipon sa paper towels to remove excess oil. O, maggisa na tayo. Ginger. Let's add 10 cloves of garlic, minced. Green onions. Let's cook this fast, 30 seconds. Adding jalapenos. I seeded the jalapenos and I slice it thinly. Cook it for 30 seconds. Now let's add the shrimp. And let's add ground pepper and garlic salt. Turn up the heat. Pero teka, before we even get to the frying part, importante po na malaman nyo how to prepare the shrimp. Panoorin nyo po ito. In this recipe, gumamit po ako ng 20 pieces ng malalaking hipon. I cut off the shrimp legs, isa-isa, and then I wash it with cold water. Then I use a very sharp scissor to cut the backbone to devein the shrimp. Gumamit po ako ng toothpick to remove the black part. Place your washed shrimp on stack of paper towels to remove excess water. Importante po na tuyo at hindi basa ang mga hipon bago natin iprito. Okay, here's my tip for you guys. Bago nyo pa iprito ang inyong prawns o sugpo, I froze this for 30 minutes para mag-firm up siya. Medyo matigas na siya and firm. Adding 1/2 cup of cornstarch in a bowl, and then I coated each shrimp with cornstarch. Alam naman nating mas masarap ang pagkain kapag sineserve right after it's cooked. So, here's my take on crispy salt and pepper shrimp. Enjoy! Makikita nyo po palagi yung mga ipinopost ko. Para po makasigurado kayo na hindi nyo mamimiss ang aking mga post, when you go to Chef Ron Bilaro Facebook page, makikita nyo po yung follow. Press that. You will also see like. Press that as well. So that means every time I would post cooking videos, mag-a-appear po sa newsfeed nyo. Lahat po ng post ko, mag-a-appear po sa newsfeed nyo. If you're watching this on YouTube, can you click the like and also subscribe? And if you don't mind posting a nice comment for me to read, that would make me happy. Again, si Ron Bilaro po ito. Until the next cooking video. Bye everyone.